Welcome back. For the new watchers out there, my name's Daniel. And on today's video, we're going to go ahead and continue to work on the drill press I got at auction last time. Now we've already replaced the handle, and in this video we're going to go ahead and work on the switch. As you can see, this is the switch we're going to be replacing it with. It's going to look a lot better than what we currently have. Well, without further ado, let's get to it. Let's start by taking off this plate and see what we have inside. Alright, looks pretty simple. Now that we have the switch off, let's go ahead and press these two little nerds in and see if we can force it forward. I really can't get it forward. Let me get a pair of pliers on this and see if we can force it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we're going to clip together these two here to try pull off the switch from the plate. Okay, here's the plate, all nicely washed up. I'm going to make sure the switch fits in. And it looks like it's going to fit in there snug, but just fine. I don't want to force it in there too far because then I'll have problems getting it out again. But before I install it, I want to go ahead and I think paint this plate and make it look nice again. Let's see what kind of paint we have. Let's take a look. Well, here's some primer. Looks like some sort of gray. This is a good start. Let's see what else we got. Black sounds good. Do we have any other types of gray? Doesn't look like I do have a white over there. This is rust protector, satin enamel, but what color? Don't have a tip for it. I'm gonna guess and say probably black. I think black might actually work. Okay guys, now you're probably going to wonder how come I just didn't buy a new plate. Well, when I was looking for the switch, I found a plate for $16 and I just don't want to spend that much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and repaint this plate that I have. But as you can tell, the paint is flaked off. So if I were to spray paint over the top of this, what's going to happen is you'll just see all the bumps and edges and stuff right through the paint. And I want it looking kind of nice. So what I'm going to do is start sanding it off. I'll start with 150 grit and work my way up from there. You know what? This paint's pretty tough. I have an idea. Hang on. Now we'll finish the job with a little bit of hand sanding. This looks pretty good, at least good enough for me. So let's start with the primer. Alright, now that the primer has dried, let's paint it black. let's let it dry. And while we're at it, let's not forget about the screws. Okay, it's the next day. Everything is fully dried, and we're going to go ahead and start reassembling. Okay, let's see if I did that right. Nice. Kinda like it. Well, there you have it. Cool. That's all I had today. Thanks for watching.